ECHO and their line of high-performance, durable products for landscape professionals present this efficiency video series on using our revolutionary bed redefiner correctly and safely to help you work more efficiently with ECHO products. Over time, the edging around mulch and flower beds erodes and needs to be redefined to maintain a fresh, clean edge. But throw away the shovel, because with the groundbreaking ECHO BRD-280 bed redefiner, the job is easy and can be done 7 times faster. The BRD-280 cuts a crisp, beveled groove along the bed edge, leaving a professional, manicured finish. A 28.1 cc Power Boost Vortex engine powers a patented, replaceable 6-finger, high-grade steel cutting claw that features brazed carbide tips on each cutter for maximum durability and performance. An adjustable height guide wheel lets you vary the depth of your cut, while a 59-inch straight shaft helps you reach under trees or other obstacles for easy operation. A cast metal debris shield with an oversized nylon extension and sight guide line offers optimal durability and debris protection. When working, we suggest wearing safety glasses, earplugs or muffs, durable gloves, long pants, long-sleeved shirt, and sturdy work boots. Be sure to start with a full tank of fuel. The bed redefiner needs a mix of oil and gasoline at a ratio of 50:1. See the operator's manual for more information on mixing gasoline and oil, as well as safety precautions. Inspect the unit before using it. Make sure it is not damaged. Check that the controls move freely, and read all of the warning and caution decals. Check the blade height to make sure it is adjusted to the minimum blade depth required to get the job done. To adjust the cutting depth, first ensure that the engine is off. Loosen the wheel adjustment knob. Adjust the wheel as needed, and then retighten the adjustment knob. Check the work area before starting and remove any debris or objects that could be thrown by the blades. To start the engine, lay the bed redefiner on the ground and keep the movable attachment parts clear of all obstacles. Do not start the bed redefiner by holding it in one hand and pulling the starter rope with the other hand like this. It can cause you to lose control of the unit and possibly injure yourself or others. Allow the engine to warm up by idling for about 20 seconds. Firmly grip the throttle handle with your right hand and the support handle with your left hand. Position your body at a 45-degree angle to the unit. With the engine running at full throttle, lower the blade gently into the ground. Walk outside of the bed with your body turned toward the engine. Walk forward and pull the cutting claw along the edge of the bed and let the redefiner improve the edge. Do not push the cutting claw. Carefully watch where you are going to avoid tripping. Keep an eye on the blades while still looking ahead for any obstacles or terrain changes. Do not walk backwards. Move the cutting claw only as quickly as conditions will allow. Do not force the blades. If performance suffers or the engine speed drops, slow your walking speed or decrease the blade depth. Allow the engine RPM to return to normal before continuing work. If the shield clogs with mud or debris, stop the engine and disconnect the spark plug wire. Wait until the claw stops turning, and unclog the shield with a suitable tool. Do not hit the unit against hard surfaces to clean it, or damage to the unit may occur. Try to maintain a minimum 50-foot or 15-meter safety zone around you as you work. Turn off the engine before letting anyone approach you. Direct debris away from windows, parked vehicles, buildings, and bystanders to avoid damaging property, and direct exhaust fumes away from yourself. When you're finished, shut off the engine and make sure the blade has stopped before carrying the unit. Cool the engine by letting it idle. Do not leave the bed redefiner unattended while the engine is running. Clear all debris from around the fuel cap and the muffler, from the engine cooling fins, the cylinder cover, and from around the spark plug. And check the air filter for clogging and clean it if necessary. That's it! Some do's and don'ts to help you work safely, efficiently, and more effectively with the ECHO Bed Redefiner. This program was brought to you by ECHO, who reminds you to read the operator's manual or see your dealer for more information on using and servicing your bed redefiner. Thanks for watching, and remember to work safely.